So to start off, I'd like to ask you, what is your first name?
Ivy.
Ivy. Ivy, describe to me your immigration situation before you hired Spar and Bernstein to handle your case.
My situation was a little tough. Why? Because I was a battered spouse. And I've been to 2 previous lawyers who told me that there was no way out. I never have enough to meet the requirement of a battered spouse. Until a friend of mine told me about Spar and Bernstein, and that's how I hired Mr. Bernstein. When I came for my consultation, he told me that this was a green light. And that was it.
How did you hear about Spar and Bernstein?
Well, as I said before, it's a friend of mine who told me to come to Spar and Bernstein. She said to me that if I'm not going to get through, then he will tell me. And if I'm going to get through, he will tell me. And the first day I walked through the door, he said he don't see anything wrong with my case. He knows I'm going to get through, and that's why I hired Mr. Bernstein.
And how did you feel the attorneys here at Spar and Bernstein handled you when you came in? The attention that you got in.
Well, they were very compassionate, and they have a lot of patience with me because I'm a very timid person, you know. I call them so often. Sometimes I feel so bad in myself. I think they will get fed up of me calling them so often, but they always be there for me because I always be asking questions. Every time I hear something about immigration new laws, I would jump on the phone, I would call them, and they always take the time out to listen to me and give me the right answer.
And how did you feel the pricing and the affordability of Spar and Bernstein?
Well, this is something about Mr. Bernstein that a lot of people don't know, and I would really like them to understand that he's a very compassionate person and he understands the need of poor people. So because of that, he gave us a payment plan and he worked with you. You know, you don't have a steady fee. If your needs is not there, then he's not going to put it there. He worked with you, he give you a payment plan, and he worked with you so you can afford it.
How did your life change after your case was resolved with Spar and Bernstein?
Well, to my knowledge, the day I entered this country, I understand that once you have a roof over your head and you have your green card and you have a job, then life is splendid in New York City. And I have 3 of them. My job, my roof over my head, and also my green card.
Well, that's very, very good. And how would you rate your overall experience with Spar and Bernstein?
It is great. It is great. It is wonderful because one thing I can tell any other client that this man will take the time out. He will do overtime. He even extended the hour to 8 o'clock in the night just to meet people's needs so they can come and get a consultation or have their case follow up as how they requested. A lot of law firms would close from 5, 6 o'clock and they're out. This man stay here until 8, 9, 10 if he have to. And that's the best thing because you get your money service. You can sleep at night. You know, whatever problem you have, he find the time there for you.
Would you recommend Spar and Bernstein to a friend?
Oh, he's the best. He's the best, and this company is the best. He makes sure he provide a law firm that if there's any problem, we always have professional lawyers, very good lawyers, to be there for you. So you don't have to worry and say, well, Mr. Bernstein is not there today, so you won't be helped. This is a law firm with all professional workers from A to Z. I would give them 10 at the top.
And what would you say to other immigrants who are in a similar situation like you?
I would tell any immigrant, don't listen to people on the street and think that there's no way out for you. Come and see Mr. Bernstein. He may charge you $120. Some lawyer may charge you nothing, but they tell you crap, tell you that you cannot get through. This man will tell you the truth. So that $120 is going to worth it. Turn on warehouse. The best place for you is to come to Mr. Bernstein, who take the time out on the radio, even to help a lot of people who think they have no way out, but there was a chance for them to become legal in this country. So just come to Brad. We are here to help anybody who need help from Spar and Bernstein. This is one of the best law firms that you could ever see in New York City.
Well, thank you very much, Ivy, and I'm just wishing you all the best and congratulations. And you got 3 out of 3, so go for it.
Thank you very much.
Right up.
I'm very
Thank
happy
you.
to be an old client. I want to say something real quick before you cut off, because even my brother is into a deep situation, and I invited him to Mr. Bernstein because they're was a lawyer who told him that there was no way out for him, and his case was denied, and it is appealed, and now we have his working documents, and he get positive response from immigration. He's on his way of getting his green card.
Oh, very
so
good.
I advise anybody, come to Mr. Bernstein.
Right.
He will solve your problem.
And like you said, Ivy, there's not such a thing as no way out.
No,
There's
nothing.
always a way.
Always a way for Mr. Bernstein.
Right.
Always a way.
Always a
out.
way. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Right, bye.